What's up, guys? On another adventure. Old Jay in the background there. I'm going to Rooster Cogburn's ostrich farm. Gonna check that out. Apparently they got a bunch of ostriches and stingrays and goats and other stuff. I've heard it's very similar to maybe a smaller version of the GW ranch that old Joe Exotic had up there in Oklahoma. So we're interested to see. Mom does not want to go. She is not thrilled about the trip, but she's driving us, so we appreciate her. We'll talk more when we get there. Alright, getting there now. Old Rooster Cogburn's ranch. There's his hours. We got deer, ostriches, stingrays from what I'm told. This is the complex. to go in. I forgot to tell you guys, this is located right off of I-10 between Tucson and Phoenix. I'd say pretty close to the middle if you're interested in coming out.
These gold tickets that you use.
That edge, man, get you. Okay, so pretty cool place so far. We did, however, miss the parakeets. So I gotta go back and feed them this stick before we could feed the last stuff. But, and then stingrays. What do you girls think?
Cool. Nice. I'm tight.
All right, girls. Now that we're done, what do we think?
I think I give that place a 5 out of 5.
It's a lot of fun. It was cool to feed the animals with your hands. That was pretty neat.
You want to know what I liked about it most?
What's that?
A bird jumped on my head, a bird jumped on my arm, and a bird jumped on my other arm at the same time.
You did have a bunch of birds on you.
I'm the bird queen.
Yep. Would we come back?
Okay.
Would we recommend?
Would recommend.
All right. So that's our trip to Rooster Cogburn's ostrich farm. I think the only disappointing thing with the trip was that we didn't even get to meet the man, the legend himself, old Rooster. But that's okay. I mean, we may have. We just may not have known that was the Rooster we were talking to. But it was pretty cool, pretty neat. Definitely, if you're up here in this part of Arizona, definitely recommend you all stop by and check it out. Maybe quick, couple hours out of your day.
$12 a person.
Yep, $12 a person, and it's a little bit more. I think 15 or something.
15 if you want
with
to
the stingrays. Yeah. So, but yeah, enjoy. Give this video a thumbs up and a like, and
Subscribe.